So in this Alight Motion tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to fade out a video here in Alight Motion. So if you have your video selected and nothing's there, there's going to be no fade out whatsoever. If you want to add a fade out, select the video, go to the bottom right, select effects, add effects, and then scroll down to the bottom right again to where it says opacity/visibility, and then select fade in, fade out, and then standard settings. Now once you're here, the fade in for me, I'll just set it to nothing, but if you were to go to press out right here, you can select when the video starts to fade out. So if I were to, let's just go ahead here and make this zoom in. I'll go ahead and set the setting here. So if I were to go ahead and play the video just like this, it's normal and then fades out just like that. If you want to edit it, FX, you can select the effects right here. You can make it fade out sooner, fade out later, play around with it, and the video will fade out that way. So that's how you guys can fade out a video here in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.